Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to automatically share Instagram Reels to Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Account Center under the Meta section. Tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Click on your Insta account. Now here under Automatically Share, toggle Reels to turn on automatic sharing to Facebook. But ensure your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook account to enable sharing. Now your Instagram Reels will automatically be shared to your Facebook account. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding the issue, leave them in a comment below. See you in the next video. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.